So Mr. Joey, he's got our VD1000X. This is my favorite. The VD1000X is my favorite wireless single point voltage indicator, voltage detector. It's my favorite. The reason why is because the X stands for secondary. So you can use this all the way up, direct contact, remember that. You can use it all the way up to 999 kV transmission. You put it in URD, it goes to 99.9. You go to OH, overhead, it goes to 99.9. But it has a little position called the X, which is secondary. And check it out. It is very accurate on all your secondaries. And capacitive test points. Whoa, that is a great tool.